live from Fulton Street. It's our second live stream of the day, 2 p.m. group. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Our masked hero for the day, Alex. You got Drew by the pool boy. You got Donnie with multiple leashes on him. Fully equipped. The Indiana Jones.
Safety first, everyone.
And of course, our main attraction, some good dogs. One of those good dogs is named Leroy. Leroy enjoys paddle boating, stand-up paddle. Last week he was herding sheeps.
Whoa! That's a skill.
What a skill. This guy can do it all. 5-tool player. Wally boarding with us for the week. Happy to have him back.
Veteran wall.
Maddie, getting some itches. Ivy's all smiles. Zoe doing some extended boarding with us. Loves her time here. Her home away from home. There's Rico Suave. You got Monty. You got Blondie. There's our friend Leo. The Bassets are here. There's one of them. Lenny Longears. Where's Olivia? Olivia! Oh, slinking like a snake over there.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Army crawl.
Army crawl, showing off her skills. Big brother checking on her. Oh, belly rub time.
Yep. That's what
Lenny's like, where's my share?
oh, idiot.
Oh, Maddie Bulldog's in town. Oh, Maddie. Fresh off a bath.
Whoa.
Julian and Ernie are here. There's Giro. The bird's the word. Wilbur. We got some sleepy sunbathers. Rufus is here with us. You got Millie back there. And then also, you got Lottie. Lottie's boarding with us. Lottie used to do some daycare. Happy to have Lottie with us. We got a little yard work near next door, so it's a little loud. The dogs don't seem to mind. There's Bubba. Hey, Bubba. There's Luis. Lounging Luis. There's our puppy Palooza. We got Zoe. We got Toby. Toby's learning some boundaries right now. There's Chloe. Sheppy. Blep, blep, blep. There's Louie Doodle. Trying to say hi to Vinny. And there's Big Louie. Louie OG. Julian and Ernie. And there's Tichi, Kiara. There's our big chops herself. It's Frankie, the Frankfurter. Our gentle giant.
Come on, Gerald.
There's Slamming Samson. And Luna Love. Nikita. Nikita. Nikita's a fun one to say. Wilbur. And there's Ernie. Ernie's back. Ernie had a nice little extended weekend with his owners. We got a full house here today. Zoe learning so much during her 3-week train and play. Puppy. Whoa, there's Monty. Birdie's on the move. Hey, Birdie. Birdie saying hi to Leland. Leland's keeping cool down there. It's a great place. If you're feeling warm to come down and cool off. And there's Hound Solo. We haven't said hi to him today. Couple of playful boys here. Bowie's in the mix. What's up, Bowie? Bowie's a good hang. If he was a human, he'd be a good guy to hang out with on the couch. Yes. On the porch. Frankie.
Gio. What's up? Another good bar friend.
Great bar friend.
Hi.
There's Hotch. Hey, Hotch. Smiling. Wagging. There's Sporty Boy.
It's like a relative of Bubba.
Yeah, really. Same fashion.
Chloe showing off her balancing skills.
Oh, wow. Very nice, Chloe. Quite the... Oh. We had a call there. There's Scout Hound. Doing a little boarding with us. There's Charlie. Hey, Charles. What's going on in the pool over there? Oh, Vinny. Oh. No splash zone here, they say. Zoe in the pool. Oh, Big Lenny in the pool.
the world record for the long swim.
Oh, yeah?
So, Leroy.
Long torso like Michael Phelps. Oh, Olivia wants to get in.
Oh, too shy.
Too
Stay on
shy.
camera.
You miss 100% of the splashes you don't take. She's having a fun time regardless, though.
Yeah.
Get on in.
Well,
Oh! 2 bassets in the pool.
Quick dip.
Leo, our lifeguard,
Oh, Leo.
making sure everyone's safe in the pool.
Leo's got some energy.
Glad we're getting energy out today. Toby, having some fun here. Oh, Toby in the pool.
Quick dip.
A quick dip. It's kind of what I do.
In and out.
In and out, yeah, just to get wet. Just to say you did it.
What's up, Leroy? It's cold, Leroy.
Oh, Leroy. Oh, Wilbur's in the pool.
Trying to pull that tire out. What's up, Zoe?
Of course, we thank everyone for coming on out for our second live stream of the day here at Fulton Street. We do this every Tuesday. We love to give you a glimpse of what's going on in the yard at Zen Dogs.
Deep dive into the dog.
Happy summer here with all the dogs. Everyone gets to play with their friends, hang out, expel some energy, learn some things. What a great little place here to do that.
Humans need more of this space, too.
Yeah. Well, there's Hero. Don't miss out tomorrow, 10:30 a.m. Logan Square live stream. Every Wednesday, we'll be making the venture over there. That's always a fun one.
From dogs to dogs.
More dogs. And if you missed this or our 11 a.m. group earlier this morning, you can check that out on Instagram on our IGTV section, also on our YouTube page and our Facebook page. We thank you so much for checking out our Fulton street location today. Happy dogs, happy tails, happy trails. We'll see you tomorrow at Logan Square.